This is the fourth video in a series of creating your portfolio for success. And in the last video, we saved images of the front page of each of our documents and also made sure that we had saved our documents in the right format. So now what we're going to do is actually put an image for each of those documents on the second page and then upload those documents as well, so that employers can just click on the image of them and be able to open the document. So the first thing we need to do is change the layout. So we'll be putting a total of 3 documents on each of these pages. If you don't need to load 3, then you could leave it in the 2 column. But as an example, we're going to click 3 column simple here. And now we could load 1 image into each of these columns. So now that we have the 3 columns, we need to load the images to go along with each document. I'm going to click on Insert and then click on Image. From here we're going to choose File, and now I'm going to find the one that I want here. Highlight that, then click Open. Once it's loaded, I look and the picture looks right, so I'm going to click OK. This is showing up very large on the page, which we don't want, so I'm going to click on Medium. Now for my second and my third documents, I would load those images the same way. But what we want to do next is, for each of these images, we're going to put the name of what this document is. And now, to make this look nice on our employer's screen's display, we're going to center each of these elements here. So now the image is centered. I'm going to highlight this text as well and center that by clicking the button in this top menu. So now they're both aligned center. But next, I'm going to want to make it so that employers can click on this and actually open that document. To do that, I'm going to need to scroll down a little bit. And here it says Add Files. Using this button, I can actually upload the file itself. So I'm going to click Add Files and look for the PDF that goes along with that particular image. Once I've found it and highlighted it, I'm going to click Open. And this is loading it to Google Drive. So now it'll be accessible either by clicking on the link at the bottom of the screen, or once we add a hyperlink, by clicking on this image. So I'm highlighting the image here. Once you've loaded each of your documents, you'll see a list below a folder at the bottom of that screen, which will show everything that you've uploaded. So what we're going to do is click on the name of this first document. Now we're going to copy the URL. So we're going to go up to the URL box here at the top and drag to highlight everything, and then copy. Once we have that URL copied, now we're going to go back over to our website by clicking the back button. And now when we're looking at the image that we want this to be, that we want to link to this file, we're going to click Change next to the Go To link. And now we're going to delete the current link and replace it with the one that we just copied. And once you've done that, we'll just click OK below. And now this document is set up so that when the employer looks at this web page, they can click on it and it'll immediately open up that document in Google Drive. Once you've uploaded several documents to the same page, it should look something like this. You'll see a row of the first pages of each of these documents, and any of them can be clicked to actually access the document. Below, you'll see the list of all of the documents that have been uploaded. Once you have an appearance like this, you're actually done with this page, and you'll just need to repeat that process for each of the categories of documents that you want to show. In the next video, I'm going to show you how, once you've created these pages and uploaded these documents, you can make it so that the employer can get to them from the home page.